Okay, here's the 57 Ford that I've been working on for some time now. And I've told a story about, you see here, this is Wimbledon white, and that's what color I wanted to paint the car. Well, the guy mixed the paint, and in here, I don't see as good as I used to, and I was painting over there, a little bit dark. I started painting it, and I didn't think nothing about it until I got around to the other side, and I said, this is green. And it turned out to be a mint green. And in order to make, I went back, and he said, in order to make the white, you have to add green to it. And I'm, okay, you're the paint guy, but you screwed this up. So I went ahead and painted the whole car this green, and I kept looking at it and looking at it, and I just didn't like it. So like I told in the last video, what I've done, I got a friend of mine. I'm an old guy, I'm 75 now, I'm getting too old to paint, so I got a guy that's 81 to paint the car. And he's a professional painter, he painted all his life, 40, 50, 60 years. But I'll show you some of his work over here. Watch yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, this is, he's been painting it in sections. The hood's over there, and it's painted like this, and this is an enamel. And I mean, you can't get much better paint job than this.
Wow, it still looks wet.
Yeah, and you know, you think about it, when this thing dries out really good, you come in here and buff it out, what this is gonna look like.
Wow.
And why did I go from that green to this? This just looks so much better. And I like red.
Yeah.
I've had a number of red cars.
I
so-
think you should go to those the red Steelies like you were talking about earlier.
Well, I would like to do that. In 57, they had a car that had a supercharger, Ford, on it, and it was all green. It had regular Steely wheels on it with the dog dish hubcaps, and the cars really look neat, and I would like to do that, but the problem is I'd have to change the rear end and everything.
Oh
in
yeah,
that
you
car.
got those really wide tires
Yes.
on there.
Wouldn't it look silly with the tires in, all the way up?
Yeah,
Now,
yeah, yeah.
I could paint these aluminum ones red,
That's
you
an
know,
idea.
but then you can't put hubcaps on it.
Yeah.
So,
Well, you know, you can put hubcaps on them. It just you'd have that looks strange.
okay. So anyway, I went with a red. This is a Chevrolet color. It's called Safety Red, and it was on a lot of cars. It's a deep. I like red. I don't see any orange in it. You know, it's a true red. What do you think?
Oh, I think it's a good looking color though. On camera, it looks a little orange, but
Does it?
it
Okay.
does.
Well-
But it is deep red. But right next to it, you've got this red car, and
Yeah,
you know you put them together, and you see that one looks a lot more orange.
does it?
Well, under the light, under this light, yeah. But this one looks definitely red, and that one looks definitely orange.
Okay. Well, it's red.
Yeah,
It-
but it's definitely red. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
for
true.
the people on the other side of the camera.
So that's where I'm going with a 57 Ford. Okay, this is a 57. I'm putting it back together, and during the hurricane, hand tools, I put the front fenders on it and put the whole front end on it. And I painted the bumpers, and I made the car monochrome, what is it, Emil?
Monochromatic.
Monochromatic, and that is something Emil told me this was, where the bumpers and the body are the same, and I think it turned out nice when I painted the bumpers. So I got right here a love bug, and then I got a place over there that when I have my sign painter guy come out, he'll touch it up, you'll never see it. So, but look how them bumpers shine.
Wow, that thing is beautiful.
Yeah, this red color on this thing really made this car stand out. So back here in the back, when I had the windshield guy put the windshield in, I couldn't find these pieces that go in here. Well, when I was cleaning the garage out, I found them. So what I gotta do now, because they're supposed to be on here before you put the windshield in, so I can get this front part in about that far, and then I'm gonna grind the bottom off of here. These pieces right here stick in this groove here in the rubber, so this will go on, and so I'll have these pieces on the front. So this is, I want to show you the back bumpers. Okay, so I got the back bumper on, and these Ford bumpers, if you look at them, it looks like you got them on upside down, but you can only put them on one way, the way these bolts are. And I have a friend that came over. He said, why you got, when the bumpers were painted black, why you got the chrome bumper bolts in there? I said, well, I kind of like them. He said, I think they look terrible. So when I painted them red to appease him, I didn't paint the bumper bolts red, because I have that little bit of aggravating about me. And he's going to, he'll never watch YouTube, so he'll never see it, so everybody's got something on him. So this reason they are here.
Okay,
Just
yeah.
to make him think about it.
Every time he looks at it.
Yes, every time.
Nice, and you have the fuel cell in too.
Yeah.
Nice, this thing's coming together nicely, Fred.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's, I'm getting real close.